Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to stuff the pork chops and I'm going to cheat. Instead of going out on the grill outside, I'm just going to put it on this Ninja Foodie grill. But I've got some pork chops here and I have made a hole in the pork chops. So I've made a pocket, but you cut it but don't go all the way in. And I'm going to stuff with spinach. So I want to line the bottom with spinach. And then I'm going to use roasted peppers. Yes, I got them out of a jar. So I just want to get that in the pocket. Okay. And I want a little bit of cranberries. So I want the tart because I'm then going to put the gorgonzola cheese. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty nice. And that's going to taste good. So, and then I have the toothpicks. I don't know where they are. Cliff, can I have the toothpicks? All right, so let's just do the other one. Again, got our pocket. Let's put our spinach in. Yeah. Let's put it right on the edge there. Thank you, Mr. Cliff. Appreciate it. Again, getting my roasted peppers in. And dried cranberries. I tried this the other day with white raisins. It was all right, but then I said, if I do it with the cranberries, I'm gonna have that tart when I get my cheese going. I don't know, should I have put the cheese in first? I don't know, I kind of want the cheese to come out on the end, I guess. So, okay, so we've got the pork chops and they're stuffed. I think I can get some more pepper in here. Yep, just trying to do something a little bit different. And normally, just to hold it, I guess, so it doesn't come out. Grill is ready. Yeah, so we're gonna grill this on medium-high heat and we're gonna grill it for internal temperature of 165 degrees because it's pork. So we gotta make sure that it's cooked properly. Okay? I have a feeling that this is going to give me a problem when I try to close the grill. So I need to use a smaller toothpick. It's a big pork chop. Okay, so normally you would sear your meat and then you would cook this on indirect heat. Okay, halfway mark. I just want to put a little bit of olive oil. Again, I'm using my Persian lime olive oil from Saratoga Olive Oil Company. And I'm going to use a wild blueberry balsamic vinegar. Okay, so I'm just going to put a dash of that. And I'm just going to give a slight glaze. Okay, and this is going to add a beautiful bit of flavor, and then I'm going to turn it so that it could finish. I got the thermometer in there so that I can know exactly when it hits 165 degrees. Wow, nice. And the last bit of glaze on that. Could have probably put more, but that's okay. And so we're going to finish for 165 degrees. Pork chops are ready. Finished, stuffed, absolutely delicious. Now we got to worry about the side dishes so we can eat it. Anyway, thank you for making stuffed pork chops with us today. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.